In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest on TradingView for free. If you've ever wanted to hone your trading strategies without risking your capital, then learning how to backtest effectively is a skill that can really set you apart. I'll walk you through a simple way to manually backtest using the bar replay feature on TradingView, a tool that can be particularly useful even on the free basic plan. So, let's dive in. First things first, for those of you using the free version of TradingView, keep in mind that some restrictions apply. Specifically, you can only replay daily, weekly, or monthly charts. Intraday charts won't be available for this feature unless you move to a paid version. But fear not, daily and longer-term charts offer plenty of opportunities for thorough strategy testing. To get started, you'll want to look for the bar replay icon. This is located on the chart toolbar, and it looks somewhat like a play button you might find in a media player. Clicking this icon will activate the bar replay feature, which is essential for manually backtesting your strategies. Next, it's time to pick where you want your replay to begin. You'll do this by choosing a start date. TradingView has a handy jump tool designed to make this easy, allowing you to skip back in time to the date of your choice. This means you can test your strategy over different market conditions, which is incredibly valuable. Maybe you want to see how your approach would have worked during a bull market 6 months ago, or perhaps through a bear market last year. The choice is yours. Once you've set your start date, you'll have 3 main controls at your disposal: play, forward, and rewind. These controls allow you to move through the chart candle by candle at your own pace, so you can meticulously observe how your trades would have unfolded. The play button progresses the chart automatically through each candle, simulating real-time movements. The forward and rewind buttons allow you to step through one candle at a time, letting you focus on each development moment by moment. Take your time to jot down notes on every significant price movement or pattern that jumps out at you. This process is all about analyzing what works and what doesn't, so paying close attention to these details is crucial. There's a lot to learn by observing these historical price actions, and that in turn can offer insights into future positions. And there you have it, a basic approach to manually backtesting using TradingView's bar replay feature on the free plan. This method doesn't just refine your strategy, it builds confidence and intuition in your trading decisions, helping you become a more informed